It's hard to be what you need through a static screen, and trying to speak for weeks and weeks. Open my mouth, all that comes out is white noise and incomprehensible sounds, and all you ever do is turn me down. I'm watching, I'm waiting, I'm aching, suffocating, I'm breathing, I'm speaking. Can you hear me? I'm screaming for you. Day by day, I'm slowly replaced. I'm your picture freeze. A brand new face. I'm your pillowcase. Come the night, you dim the lights and close the blinds, but I still see them running down your spine. 'Cause I illuminate the room just enough to watch you. I'm watching, I'm waiting, I'm aching, suffocating, I'm breathing, I'm speaking. Can you hear me? I'm screaming for you. Sick of the lack of signal, sick of the lack of touch, sick of the static voice. It's not enough, it's not enough. Baby, it's hard to be just what you need, when all I speak is static screams. Can you hear me? I'm watching, I'm waiting, I'm aching, suffocating, I'm breathing, I'm speaking. Can you hear me? I'm screaming for you. Sick of the lack of signal, sick of the lack of touch, sick of the static voice. It's not enough, it's not enough. And baby, it's hard to be just what you